Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to outline text in Photoshop with no fill. So let's begin. Create a new layer, right click, type text, choose Arial black, text size, outline. OK. Then press Ctrl T, hold Shift, resize the text. Click Effects Mode, blending options and fill opacity 0. Stroke, choose the stroke color, increase resize stroke size, outside, inside, center. OK. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.